Hello, this is Samuel, and this is Alexis, and this is our stock pitch project for Meta Platforms.
First up is a company and stock overview. For the company overview, Meta is a company that specializes in social technology, making products such as virtual reality headsets, computers, and mobile phones. It has two branches, Reality Labs and Family of Apps.
Now, on to the stock overview. So, the ticker symbol for Meta is META, and it is in the technology and social sectors. Now, we label Meta as a buy and hold, and our target price is $720. For the quantitative analysis, Meta stock value at the date this picture was taken was at $394.14 and increased to $496.26 in March of 2024. Now, we believe that Meta will continue rising at a steady pace based on this graph. Now, for the qualitative analysis, just like we said, although there was a large dip in 2022 and 2023, Meta has risen back up and will probably continue to do significantly well. To our calculations, we determined the stock as a short-term stock and we'll hold it for about a year and a half and then sell.
For its social platforms, and part of the family of apps, it includes WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. WhatsApp is the third most used social media platform currently, and Facebook is the most used social media platform currently. Instagram is the fourth most used, and Messenger is the seventh most. There are around 2.7 billion monthly users for WhatsApp and 3.07 billion monthly users for Facebook. Instagram has 2.5 billion monthly users, and Messenger has 979 million monthly users.
Next, on to the industry research and financial analysis. Now, the first section of the industry research is the digital apps and virtual reality. So, in this day and age, digital apps are the most common way to spread information through the internet. And Meta, like most other digital companies, use their apps to allow users to communicate with one another. However, they are also part of the virtual reality sector. So, they're in comparison, there are much fewer companies that produce products for virtual reality. And although they're competing with other large companies like Apple and Nvidia, Meta has a lot of assets for VR product production and seem to be pretty ahead in the sector.
So for the second part of the industry research, we have artificial intelligence and ESG considerations. For artificial intelligence, Meta has been incorporating AI with many of their projects for a very long time. Most of this is used in many of Meta's social platforms, including Facebook text suggestion and a chat feature with AI. This gives Meta an opportunity to improve their apps and continue to create new features for their apps. For the ESG considerations, Meta works toward the goal of building a community and bringing the world closer together. Socially, Meta has developed new tools and features in order to help empower communities and allow people to work together, such as a crisis response, blood donations, and voting information centers. They have also started fundraisers and raised as much as 8 billion. Environmentally, Meta has tried to reduce their carbon emissions by changing designs and embracing low carbon technology.
Now, onto the financial analysis. So the financial ratio will be discussed later in the statistics section, but the net profit margin, despite lackluster performance in a sleep down slope in 2022 and 2023, Meta stock is steadily increasing and will most likely continue to increase as their products expand into areas of high demand. But as of December 2023, Meta's profit margin is 28.98%.
Next up is statistics. For statistics, the quarterly revenue has been rising since a 2022 dip, with a grand total of $40.11 billion as of December 2023. For the current ratio, the assets over liabilities is 2.67 to 2.81. For the row ratio or ROE ratio, as of December 2023 quarter is 37.41%. For the ROA ratio, it would be December 23 quarter, 24.89%. For the rate of return, the YID would be year 30 year and date. 36.91%, and the last 12 months would be 147.74%.
On to the investment risks. So the reason why Meta has such a huge drop in 2022 and 2023 was that they spent too much time in the process of trying to improve their reality labs and virtual reality. And this led to disappointing earnings, which were lower than expected revenue and profits, and the market inflation risk, which is rising interest rates in the market and concerns of a recession playing a role in the drop and could be an issue again in the future.
For the investment thesis. For the investment thesis, our prediction for short-term stock is simple. If the stock is bought or held for a year and a half, the stock value will rise greatly. The pattern we see in the stock is a steady upward climb, meaning that the value will rise significantly if Meta's products and services continue their current progression. Apps for cash flow would be Instagram and Facebook Marketplace. Very good source of demand and income, plus their virtual reality products like Reality Labs.
Thank you.